Hello. Hello Nakshatra.
Hello,
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I am also good. Okay. So today we will learn
Countings in
counting.
French.
Yes, in French. Okay. Will you guess who will teach us? Yes, I will guess. Nakshatra. Okay, so Nakshatra, are you ready?
Yes,
Okay, so let's start.
yes.
Okay, so first of all, you will tell me what we say one in French.
We say in French
Okay,
to one.
okay. What is the spelling?
UN.
What we say?
Yes.
Okay, and two,
Do.
two.
Do.
Okay, do. Can you tell me the spelling?
DEUX.
Okay, and three.
Trois. TROIS.
Okay, next four.
Quatre.
Okay,
QUATRE.
nice, very nice. Quatre.
Yes.
Okay.
Quatre.
And what we say five in French?
Cinq. CINQ.
Q. C-I-N-Q.
Q.
Sank. I'm
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Okay. And six.
C's.
C's.
The spelling is same.
Same. S-I-X.
Yes.
Six. Okay. And what we say in French? Six.
C's.
C's. Okay. And seven?
Sept.
Okay.
SEPT.
Sept. I'm
Yes.
right?
Yes.
And next number will be eight.
Yes.
So?
Wheat.
Wheat.
Yes.
Okay.
HUIT.
H-U-I-T. Wheat. Okay. And next? Nine.
9.
Huh?
Neuf. NEUF.
Nuff.
Yes.
Nuff. Okay. And 10?
Dix.
Dix.
Yes. DIX.
Dix.
Yes.
Wow, nice. So I'm learned this. Okay.
Okay.
And thank you Nakshatra.
You're welcome.
बाय बाय. So
Bye.
हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में
11 to 20.
कंटिन्यू करेंगे काउंटिंग इन फ्रेंच. ओके. So you will say subscribe my YouTube channel.
Please subscribe my YouTube channel.
Thank you.